In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste math equations from Grok AI to Word. By the end, you'll be able to move an equation from a Grok conversation into a Word document in just a few clicks, with clean formatting and minimal fuss. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Grok AI. From the results, click the official Grok AI site to open it. Once you're in, head to the chat that already contains the math equation you want to bring into Word. If you have multiple chats, choose the one where the equation appears exactly the way you want it to look. That will save you cleanup time later. Next, locate the equation in the chat and select it carefully. Click at the start of the expression, drag across to the very end, and make sure you include every symbol, subscript, and exponent you need. When it's highlighted, right-click and choose Copy. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Taking a second to confirm you grab the entire expression helps prevent missing characters when you paste. Now, switch over to Microsoft Word. This can be the desktop app or the web version. Both will work for simple copying and pasting. Open the document where you want the equation to appear, then place your cursor in the exact spot you want it. Right-click on an empty area of the page and select Paste. You can also use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste instantly. After it lands in the document, give it a quick look. If the equation pasted with the styling and symbols you expected, you're good to go. If the formatting doesn't look right, try using the small Paste Options button that appears after you paste to test a different option, like keeping the source formatting or merging formatting with your document. Undo and repaste if necessary. Sometimes switching the paste method resolves spacing or font issues immediately. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your equation is long, consider placing it on its own line for readability. If you need to edit the expression later, make a fresh copy from Grok to avoid introducing small errors. And if you're building a document with many equations, paste one, confirm the look, and then repeat the process to keep everything consistent. That's it. You opened Grok AI, selected and copied the equation, switched to Word, and pasted it where you needed. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.